Gold once again traded in range between 1770 and 1780, failed to break past either of these levels and precisely in a no trade zone. Likewise, silver too has got the support at 2340, which is definitely a stronger support. Now, what to expect in these two today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and do watch till the end. First, we'll look into gold and towards the end, silver. Do listen to both the analysis and trade as per the levels. Also, pressing the bell icon will keep you updated with the next video for gold, which will be released before the US cash session. So, do watch that also. Let's start. Now, these are the hourly charts for gold. You can see it is slightly skewed on the upside, slightly trading with a positive bias. But yes, it has to break past 1780 and precisely I will say 1782 because see 1, 2, 3 candles trying to break past 1782 zone, failing to do so. Hence, this zone becomes important. It has to sustain above this in order to trade bullish. It has been trading sideways, pull, sideways. Now again looking forward to a breakout here. If this comes today or tomorrow, that needs to be seen. Yes, a breakout is awaited and this breakout rally could be possibly similar to what we had seen here. So be careful there, be watchful there. Directional movement here is bullish, trying to cross over for a sell. Stochastic has dropped on the hourly charts. MACD has come to bottom here for the hourly charts. RSI try to look upwards. It has dropped a bit on the candles. 2 hour charts also indicating the same what we have seen on the hourly charts. Directional movement here also is in green, trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a drop. MACD is bearish here. The MACD has crossed over at this position. Now it is so far traded in red and has traveled a significant distance. RSI trying to look upwards, and if you look at the 3 hour charts, similar observation on the 3 hour chart. So this becomes very clear that between 1870 and 1880 we should not take any trade in gold. Directional movement here also moderately bullish. Stochastic has seen a little drop. MACD is divergent and bearish here also. It has traveled a little distance here without any movement in gold. This is very important. Without any significant movement in gold or drop in gold, the MACD has traveled a bit of distance. RSI is looking downwards here too. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour charts, it appears after 3-4 green candles. This is the first breakout candle. I'll be definitely watchful of this, how far it takes this time. Directional movement here is moderately bullish. Stochastic has seen a good drop. MACD has seen a crossover here. It is divergent and bearish. RSI is looking downwards here. And if you look at the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, after resting at 20 period moving average for long, now it has started to diverge. The gold has started to diverge. This is indicating extreme bullishness here in gold's movement. That is what we had expected. Now look at yesterday then today's candle. Higher lows, lower highs. So again, very clear. 1770s, 1870, 1880 levels. Do not trade above and below. Yes, you can expect a drop or a rise. On the downside, yes, 1865, 60, 55, 50 till 50 it has got good support. Then 1840, 1830 and 1824 levels to be seen. Till 1824 one can remain long, one can remain bullish in gold for the month of January. On the upside, once it trades beyond 1880 levels, possibly the target which I'll be looking forward to is 1900, 1920 zone. If not this week, possibly, if not today, possibly tomorrow with the CPI data or maybe towards the weekend, we may see gold hitting those levels. And these are my long-term targets and these are getting achieved probably. First was 1850 and 1880, both are done. 1880 definitely giving it a very strong resistance now. I am looking forward to 1900, 1920 zone. Possibly that may get achieved too. So take your trades accordingly, but wait for the breakout to happen. Only good confirmation for gold is above 1884, 85. Beyond that, 1891, 1900 are the targets, and beyond that, further bullishness can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts in the first week of February. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details on same. My Telegram IDs and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts fairly consolidating here in this range. Yesterday we talked about this. See 2360 it reached, 2340 it went till towards, and again once again you should sell only if you see it trading below 2350. You can again expect 2340 levels, and on the upside 2370. Beyond this, yes, you can buy and expect 2380. So largely in between 2340 and 2380 one should remain cautious. Directional movement here is moderately bearish. Here stochastic has seen a good drop. MACD is in green on the hourly charts. RSI trying to look upwards, trying to show little strength. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise you will find that here, if you see this 2370 giving it a resistance, then 2380, this is a good resistance zone. And here on the downside, if you see first it has created the base as 2350, now it has created the base as 2355. So higher bases it is trying to create, indicating that it is trying to skew its movements on the upside, skew its movements for the bullish move, and hence you should be cautious here. Yes, if you see it trading below 2355, you can sell for 2350, 2345, 40. Below 2340 directly it will lend to 2320 levels, and hence you should be cautious of this. At the same time, trading above 2370 you can remain long and expect it to rise for 2380, 24, and beyond 24 further bullishness can be seen. So in between 2370 and 2355 do not take a trade today. Direction movement moderately bullish, stochastic rising. The MACD is trying to cross over for the bullish move here. RSI trying to look upwards, showing little strength. If you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, I'll wait for it to give a breakout either which ways, and you should also wait for it, and hence do not trade between 2355, 2350, 2370 levels. Rather, I'll say these 20 cents you should stay away. Directional movement moderately bearish, trying to converge crossover. Stochastic is flat, MACD is bearish, RSI flat. And on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation here. Consolidation phase going on, waiting for the breakout. Good confirmation 2380, good confirmation 2340. This 40 cents is a danger zone. However, you can profit by trading or going short at 2355. Expect 2350, 45, 40. These are the targets, and you should remain cautious every 5 cents. See, when the markets are in range bound, you should keep booking profits and keep taking trades again. Keep re-entering. And yes, if you see it trading on the upside beyond 2370, possibly 2380 is the next target, and if it breaks past 2380, further bullishness can be expected. Stochastic is comfortable, MACD is bearish, it may converge, RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts you can find resistance definitely at 2410 levels, which is definitely a very good resistance, and beyond that 2440, 50 levels to be seen. For a reversal confirmation, it needs to break past 2380 today. Once it trades about 2380, possibly we can see similar size of candle taking it about 24 and 2410 levels. At the same time, lower highs, that is 2370, 2380, and then drop from there possibly may give us similar size of candle taking it till towards 2320 level. This is also very much possible that it can show a drop here. On the upside, be cautious till 2380. On the downside, I think 2320 can be also achieved if it continues to trade below 2340 levels. Directional movement bearish here on the daily charts. Stochastic has seen a drop. MACD has traveled a sharp or long distance despite a real significant move in silver. RSI is also trading flat. So this indicates, see, once it cools down the indicator without any significant move in silver, you can consider that it is still trading bullish, and hence you should be cautious of this. So for the day 1855, 1870 larger no trade zone, then 1840, 1880, this is the safe or no trade zone, and on the 2340, 2380, this is going to be a little swing zone. On the upside above 2380, there is a clear direction for 24, 2410. On the downside, below 2340, there is a clear direction for 2320. In between 2320, 2410, this is possibly going to remain the trading range for the day. On the upside, beyond 2410, that is the breakout zone, below 2320, and in fact till 2280, below that it is going to break out. I don't think so that it is going to break extremely bearish, but yes, a little bearishness can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.